Welcome to Guitars and Bacon. My name is John, and I hate having to buy cables and having them break on me. So I'm here to teach you how to make them last longer. Keep on watching.
Guitars and Bacon.
Before we get started, if you want to talk more about useful tips like this, head over onto my Twitch channel. I stream every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and we talk all about stuff like this. You can drop in a message on chat, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions there. It's one of those things that you end up buying repeatedly because they break so easily. You'd spend around $6, which is around 500 pesos, every year, actually needing to buy a new one. Or if you're lucky, you're just gonna need to buy them every 2 years. That sucks though. At some point, you might even consider buying a more expensive brand. That doesn't really fix the issue though. Braided cables, thicker insulation, gold-plated jacks. You probably try them all, but none of them actually work. Wanna know why? Well, you're probably doing something like this. Maybe you thought making it a bit more compact might be a better solution? Now, this is just as bad. Now, if you wrap your cables like that, then they're definitely gonna go bad much sooner than you think. Worse, they might even go break during a gig. The problem is, the wires inside your cables tend to get stressed a lot if you wrap them around repeatedly in that same motion. So how do you work around that? Well, I'm gonna teach you something I learned while I was looking for a solution for that particular problem. This is called the over and under method. So you need to hold one end of the cable with the tip facing you with your left hand, and with your right hand, grab a length of the cable with your fist facing forward. Now, what you need to do is make a very small loop by twisting your fist forward and bringing it closer to the other hand. See? Now, what you need to do for the next loop is actually do a reverse handshake and hold on to your length of cable like that. Now, when you're bringing it up, you twist it by returning your hand to its normal position and then bring it from under, going up, and you put it back there. Simple, right? So, now you do it again like you normally would in your standard cable wrap. Just do it over. So again, over. And then from below, twist it, and then under. So, over, under, over, and under, over, and you have a very neatly wrapped cable coil. Now, this also works on other electrical cables. Doing this will definitely keep your cables from getting tangled while they're inside your gig bags. It might take a couple of tries before it doesn't feel awkward anymore, but once you get used to it, you'll speed up eventually. And your wallet is gonna thank you in the process. Now, if you enjoyed this video, click that like button, hit subscribe, and click that bell notification icon to be one of the first people to see the new content once it's out. One more reminder, I talk about gear, music, recording, and actually do songwriting live on my streams. I stream on Twitch every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 5 a.m. EST. That's 5 p.m. Philippine time. Hope you guys enjoyed the content.